Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and withdraw money from Fidelity. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that, all you have to do is first of all access your browser and access fidelity.com and sign in with the information. Right after you have done so, you will be able to see this kind of interface with your all accounts information. If you have multiple accounts, you will have this all accounts as well. Afterwards, all you have to do is tap on it. There's a transfer option which will be beside trade on top. Upon doing that, you will get this kind of interface which asks you which account do you want to move money from. Go ahead, tap on this drop down icon and now select a particular account that you would like to transfer, aka withdraw money from. Upon doing that, now you have another step which is where will the money be transferred to. Again, tap on drop down icon, choose a account for you. Now enter your transfer details. Go ahead, enter the amount that you would like to withdraw, aka transfer. Tap on continue in the bottom. And right over here you can see there is one last step before submitting. All you have to do is review your transfer details perfectly. Once you're done, tap on the submit and you will be able to submit, aka transfer the money and withdraw from the account that you transferred to. That is the way you can move your money from Fidelity to any account and withdraw money as you will like. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.